It took me a while to sort of like understand how to budget.
You don't have to go fully in depth into budgeting and plan out everything.
Probably I would say have like 2 separate bank accounts. So one for socializing, and then have like your main bank account where you basically, save up money for accommodation or, just your day-to-day expenses.
I like to separate it into weeks, so I know what I'm spending it on in a week and how I can budget that accordingly.
As soon as student finance comes in, put away the money that you need for rent.
At university, you pay your accommodation in chunks, so you'll get your student loan I got it every 3 months. So at the start of the month, I'll divide what my rent needs to be paid off, and then I divide my essentials in, and everything I've left, I plan my nights out.
You need to be able to put money aside for funding, emergency fundings.
I always set myself like a £300 bumper, so then that way, if anything goes wrong, or if there's like something that I haven't thought about, or even just like your mates go, "Oh, do you want to go for a meal?" You've got that £300 bumper there, and plan for going home. So if you're going to go home and your train ticket costs £50, that needs planning in.
It can get expensive really, but also doing stuff like vaccinating the food, that can really help.
I found that planning a shop before you actually go is really helpful. You actually stay kind of focused on your food shop rather than just buying every shiny thing you see in an aisle.
Most cities don't have a big supermarket, so look for local markets for food, because the Express will rip you off.
There's student deals everywhere, whether that's online or in the shops, so look out for those student deals and a lot of apps.
Like student beans, uni days, and then carry your student card around with you, because that'll work as well.
Don't be so harsh on yourself.
It's very important to look after your health and your mental well-being, and if that's spending on certain luxuries, then absolutely go for it.
If nightlife experience is something you're going for, you need to properly budget. You need to budget like entry, getting there and back.
Don't be going out to bars to have pre-drinks when you're paying, £5-6 a beer. Get some beers, go back to your flat, have some beers before you go out. The key for me is you want to socialise, you want to go out, you want to drink, absolutely go for it, make some friends, make those core memories. It's absolutely great to do that. But do it wisely.